Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a group Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to create a group Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, to create a group, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. Just point the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this three-person icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Tap Create Your Own. Now a choice like this will appear. Tap Create Your Own again. Here the input menu will appear. Type the name of the group that you will create. Here you can also provide a description of the group that you will create. After everything is finished, tap Create. Now here is the save process from creating a group. Now you can see here that the group has been created. This is the initial display of the group that I created earlier. So that's it, tutorial how to create a group Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.